I have just had the loveliest time. I'm at the Rhône Retreat in Gaujac, France, and I'm here to do a workshop, and the people don't come for another day or so. And I saw this beautiful English lavender this morning, and those two hot orangey red poppies, and so I have been drawing for the last little while and just having the best time. And I will share with you that I first sketched it in pencil. There are going to be a lot of shadows here. Maybe I need to put this up here. The procedure was that I first did a light pencil sketch because I like to know that things are going to be in the right place. And then I applied very lightly woodless pencils, woodless pencils, these right here, and because they were very lightweight on the plane, and I put them in a thing from tuna fish, which just worked beautifully. And so I sketched lightly with color all over it. Then I came back and came back and came back, intensifying the color each time. And my last step was to use the Faber-Castell, one of the, let's see, what color is this? This is, I don't know. Anyway, it's the bold, and it's a tanny brown. So we won't spend time figuring that out because it doesn't matter. So I put in the detail real quickly with that. And when you're doing a sketch like this, you always want to make sure that you are going the direction of the stems and that you are getting the feel of the bowl of the flower, and just have a wonderful time with it. This has been great fun. Bye now.